In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 4 of chapter 1, named Python Revision Tour of CBSE Class 12 Computer Science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a Python program that accepts two integers from the user and prints a message saying if first number is divisible by second number or if it is not. First thing we need to do is get the two integers as the input from the user. So we do num1 is equal to int input enter the first integer and num2 is equal to int input enter the second integer. Here num1 and num2 variables will store the two integers and we have used the int function to typecast or convert the input from string data type to integer data type. Now to check whether the first number is divisible by a second number or not. We know that a number is divisible by another number if the remainder of the division is 0. So we use a modulus operator to find the remainder and then check whether the remainder is 0 by using the equality operator double equal to check the condition. So if num1 percentage num2 equals 0 colon enter. So if the remainder is 0, we want to print it is divisible. So print the first number num1 is divisible by the second number num else, and otherwise we want to print that it is not divisible. So print the first number num1 is not divisible by the second number num2. Then we run this and check it. So we enter the first number as 88 and second number as 11. We know that 88 is divisible by 11 and that is confirmed in our output. The first number 88 is divisible by the second number 11. Now let's run the program again. And this time let's enter the first number as 38 and the second number as 10. And we know that 38 is not divisible by 10, which again is verified by the output. The first number 38 is not divisible by the second number 10. So our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, Please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.